Hi guys, karibuni sana, and so today I want to prepare the perfect pancakes ever for my family and of course for breakfast. So I have with me one egg and this is sugar. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon. I will show you guys, and apart from that I also have with me some margarine. This is Prestige margarine. I prefer using this one instead of Blue Band. And apart from that I have my lukewarm milk with me, but I don't think if I'm going to consume all of it. And the last ingredients I have is flour, of course. And for today's recipe I'm going to use the self-raising flour. This is my mixing bowl. I have with me, is it a whisk? Yeah, and that is my bowl. So enjoy this video guys, don't forget to watch till the end. Thank you so much to my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Finally, now I know how to prepare pancakes at home with simple ingredients, of course. Just see how fluffy it looks. It's so fluffy. I love the outcome. Haijongua, haina skari mingi, haina mafuta mingi, and plus the vanilla essence, sikweka mob. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and let's meet on the next video.